Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You have downloaded and installed the font. Now start the simple workflow. First, confirm the font shows in your OS Font Manager. Once done, open Google Docs and install the Extensis Fonts add-on. It gives extra web fonts quickly. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account you'll use in Docs. If you prefer not to use add-ons, you'll prepare a fallback. Create the text in an app that accepts system fonts and export it for insertion into Docs. You now choose the execution path. If you use Extensis, launch it, search for a close match, select the text in Docs, and apply the font. Extensis serves web fonts without local install. Alternatively, create your text in Word or Pages where your installed font appears. Format at final size, export as high-res PDF or PNG. Then insert that file into Docs and align it with your document. This method preserves your exact type. Finish by sizing and positioning the inserted text or image so it blends with your document. Make sure images are high resolution to avoid jagged edges. If the font still won't appear, clear your browser cache, relaunch Chrome, and confirm the font is properly installed in your OS. Sometimes a system restart is required. As a final fallback, export the entire document from Word or Pages as a PDF that embeds the font. Then upload that PDF to Drive so recipients see the exact typography.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.